We're here at 57 Parr Terrace in Castor Bay.
When you combine sea views, school zones and the style of this solid family home, it becomes the ultimate dream.
Located in a prime time position down a quiet cul-de-sac, this 1970s 4-bedroom home was built for the ages. With vintage vibes, this home offers a layout like no other. A large kitchen, an expansive living space with sea views, separate study, all flowing out to an entertainer's deck and garden.
There's epic storage, a workshop and a double garage. You're zoned for arguably the best schools on the North Shore, including dual Westlake, a stone's throw to the popular Milford Beach and Village with easy motorway access. This home is one not to be missed.
I'm David, this is Hannah, let's go take a look.